about the topic the trigonometry. Okay, in that one basics the degree, what is the radian, how to convert the degrees into the radians, radians into the degrees, and small definitions, how many trigonometric ratios, how to define that one, those trigonometric ratios defined in the right angle triangle. After that the complementary angles yesterday I have discussed. Now today I have discussed about the trigonometric values. Okay, you know the formulas very well. Remember once again, what is the formula of sin theta is equal to, you know very well, opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now you know the formulas for tan theta. Tan theta, you know the formula that equal tan theta equal sin theta by cos theta. You know very well or not? Theta is the angle, you know what is the meaning of the angle. Okay. Next, cot theta is equal, you know very well, reciprocal of the tan theta, 1 by tan theta. No doubt at all. Secant theta value is also reciprocal of the cos theta, 1 by cos theta. Remember, say yes or no. Next, cosecant theta is equal to reciprocal of the sin theta. Now, we will find the values, trigonometric values for class 10 students and class 12 students. Okay, listen carefully. Please listen carefully. How to find the tabular form? You know the already learned in the class 10th. Now discuss in many ways. Now trigonometric values from 0 to 90 degrees. Per suppose trigonometric values from 0 to 90 degrees means, for suppose we will take the by form method to find the values from the by the form method. How to find, for suppose this one? We will take this in this way, form method. Observe that simple way, this one form, per suppose. Now here 0 degrees, this is 30 degrees, this is 45 degrees, this is 60 degrees, this is 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Now what is the step? Per suppose, first suppose x value, first x value, first step is first of x. What is the meaning of x value? I tell you. After that we can find the root x, root we will find. Third one, root x by 2, that is the value. Now first we can, for suppose for sine values, we will take the sine values. For suppose sine 0 degrees, sine 30 degrees, sine 45 degrees, sine 60 degrees, sine 90 degrees. For suppose you can find the 0 degrees value. Now this is the thumb. Right side calculate how many thumbs are there. From this 0 degrees, how many thumbs? That means 0 thumbs. That means x value is 0. Now root 0 means 0. 0 by 2 means 0. Means the value of sine 0 degrees is equal to 0. Now here observe that. Theta, the function is sine 0 degrees means 0. Next, you will take the 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Now we will go to the 30 degrees. From right side, how many fingers are there? From the 30 degrees, how many fingers are there? Right side, 1 finger. That is the x value. X value is 1. Root x means root 1. Now root x by 2 means root 1 is equal to 1. Understood or not? Yes. That equal 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Say yes or no? Understand or not? Now we can take the 45 degrees. Now 45 degrees means how many fingers are there? Right side. 1, 2 fingers are there. It means x value is 2. Means root 2. That equal root 2. X value 2 means root x means root 2. Root 2 by 2. This is root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2 means denominator write as root 2 into root 2. Or 1 root 2 cancel. That equal root 2 by root 2 into root 2. Root 2 root 2 cancel. That equal answer is 1 by root 2. Now this is 45 degrees means 1 by root 2. Next 60 degrees. 60 degrees. From this observe that 60 degrees. From the right side, how many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3. X value is 3. 3 fingers. X value is 3. For suppose x value is 3. Immediately you can find root x. That equal root 3. Root 3 is divided by 2. That is root 3 by 2. Now theta is 60 degrees means sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Now next one 90 degrees. This one 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. How many fingers are from the right side? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is x value is 4. Now root 4 is equal to, now divided by 2, that equal 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore 90 degrees is 1. Simple. Now sin 0 0, sin 30 1 by 2. Remember each and every value. Sin 0 degrees is equal to 0, sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2, sin 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, sin 90 is equal to 1. Now cos in the reverse process, no doubt at all. Cos from here, from left side you can count, from this is 90 degrees, how many fingers are there? Now you write this side, cos 0 means in opposition, reverse side you write, okay. Cos 0 is equal to 1 means sin 90 is equal to 1. Now cos 30 nothing but this one, what happened? Root 3 by 2. Understood or not? Now cos 45 same, 1 by root 2. Next cos 60 means 100% this one, reverse order we write here, this one, this one, this one, okay, in the right in this way, okay. Now cos 45 means 1 by root 2. Next cos 60 nothing but the 1 by 2. Next cos 0 means 0. Simple. You write the reverse order. Now tan theta formula sin by cos, sin theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta. Now tan theta, what is the formula? Sin theta by cos theta, this one by this one, 0 by 1 means 0, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 means 1 by root 3. Next 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 means 1, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 means root 3, 1 by 0, something by 0 is means not defined, not defined means you write the infinity. After that tan after cot, you write in reverse order, cot this one write as this one, cot 0 is not defined, cot 30 means this one, reverse order write root 3 same, next 1 by root 3, next 0 here, next secant reciprocal of cos, 1 by 1 means 1, root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3, next 1 by root 2 means root 2, 1 by 2 means 2, 0 reciprocal, 1 by secant means 1 by cos 0 means cos 90 means 0, 1 by 0 means not defined means infinity. Now last but not least, what is that one? Cosecant theta. How to find the cosecant? The reciprocal of this one. For suppose cosecant values, now we write here, now cosecant theta, what happened? Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant, 1 by 0 means not defined, reverse of this one no problem at all, reverse of this one 2, reciprocal of this one root 2, reciprocal of this one 2 by root 3, this is 1. Simply, understood or not? This is the trigonometric values from 0 to 90 degrees. Remember, what is the value of sin theta? Sin 0 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1 by using the form method. Here 0 degrees is there, right side how many fingers are there? No fingers means, what is the formula? Directly write the formula root x by 2. This is the formula, value of the trigonometric root x by 2. How many fingers are there? The number of fingers in the right side is x. From calculated 0, from right side how many fingers are there? 0 fingers, 0 by root 2, 0 by root 2 means 0. For suppose 30 degrees, how many fingers are there? Only one finger means 1 by root 2, here 1 by 2. Now 45 degrees, how many fingers are there? 45 finger, how many fingers right side? 2 fingers, root 2 by 2, root 2 by 2 nothing but the 1 by root 2. Now 60 degrees, how many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 3 fingers are there, that is x value is root 3 by 2. Now 90 degrees, how many fingers are there? 4 fingers are there, root 4 means 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2 means how much? 1. Understood? Now we will find the sin 180 value, sin 270 value, sin 360 value. Same in the way cos. How to find the remaining values? Remember this one? Okay, I think everyone understood, I think. Now this is the trigonometric values. How to find the trigonometric values means, this is, remember once again. Now calculate. For suppose in the examination point of view, for suppose find the value of sin 390 degrees value. Sin 390 not sin 390 or cos 390, whatever may be. Sin 390, sin 750 degrees, tan 780 degrees, whatever may be. Once you remember, what is that mean? Sin 390 degrees, sin 750 degrees, tan 780 degrees. We will find this one. Actually, for suppose class 10, class 11, the students feel very difficult how to find the values. Oh, sin 390 values. Now just learn, you learn already before. Sin 30 degrees you know, 1 by 2. Sin 45 you know, 1 by root 2. Sin 60 value, sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. You know very well. Yesterday, already we discussed. What we discussed? One complete rotation is equal to how much? One complete rotation is equal to how much? 360 degrees. Whenever from here, this is for suppose vertex or origin point, starting with here from this one to this one, again 360 degrees. After 360 degrees, what happened? Again we will start very fresh. For suppose again we will start, what is the meaning of this one? Second rotation. Second rotation means how many degrees? 720 degrees. After 720, again we will start fresh. 720 after 100% 0 in first coordinate. First coordinate means 0 to 90 degrees, 90 to 180, 92. Say yes or no? In first one rotation, 360 per suppose. After 360, again start in the first coordinate. Here 390 is there. In this one circular rotation means how many degrees? 360 degrees. Up to 360 degrees, no problem at all. After how many? 390 minus 360 means in this one we will omit the first one rotation, means 360 degrees. Again we will start the fresh, means 390 minus 360, no change in the trigonometric value. Okay, one complete rotation means how many degrees we will decrease from this one? 360 degrees we will decrease, means 390 minus 360 means 30 degrees. This is nothing but the sin 30. Not understood? Yes or no? Now sin 30 is equal to how much? 1 by 2. First, what the degree value is given first. In this one, that for suppose above 360, we discuss above 360 degrees. Now in that one, first we can find the how many rotations are there. One rotation means 360 degrees, we will omit that one. Means in this one 390 means how many rotations are there? One rotation, after that in the first coordinate. Now here 750. 750 means one rotation means 360. Again second rotation means 720. Up to 720 we cannot find anything. No problem at all. Now 720 after the fresh rotation means 750 minus 720 we will omit. This is nothing but the sin 30 degrees. 750 minus 720. No change in the value of the sin 750 degrees. Okay, that equals sin 30 means how much? In this one also what happened? 780. You can subtract the 720. Otherwise third rotation completed means 1080. Say yes or no? More than 1080 we will omit. Now 780 means tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 is equal to how much? That equal root 3. Simple. Say yes or no? We will understand the how to do the problems in this way. Now, how to find the remaining values? Okay, I will explain. The quadrant, what are the quadrant angles? What are the quadrant angles? Tell me. Quadrant angles. Now this is, you know very well, this is how much? 0 degrees, no angle coincide, those two angles are coincide. Now rotated, this is for suppose, what about this? 90 degrees. Now the same angle, right, rotated, this is called straight angle. Straight angle means this is total, you know that, how much? Here 90, now the straight angle means how much? This is 180 degrees. After that again rotated 90 degrees means this is 270 degrees. Again 90 rotate, this is how much? 360 degrees. Now 90, 180, 270, 360. are called the quadrant angles. 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees are called the quadrant angles. Understood or not? Now, for suppose you can take the circular path, whatever may be here in this one, observe that. In this one, the circular path, for suppose. Here how much? 0. This is how much? 90. This is how much? 180. This is how much? 270. This is how much? 360. Now, we will find the sine values per sine function. What happened? You know these two values. Before already I taught that one. You know that one. Sine 0 degrees. What the value for sine function means? Sine 0 is equal to 0. Say yes or no? This is sine 90, you know that? 1. This is, for suppose, this is x axis. These two are perpendicular means 90 degrees means 100%. These two are, this is the vertex. This is x axis, this is 100%, y axis. These are called coordinate axis, 100%. Coordinate axis divides the plane into 4 parts, no doubt at all. Okay, now this is compulsory origin. Now sine 0 equals 0, sine 90 equal 1. You know these two values. This is positive x axis, this is positive y axis, this is negative y axis. Negative y axis means plus 1 means 100%, this is minus 1. 0 opposite, this is 180, that is minus 0, nothing but the 0. 360 at present 0 means 0. 90 degrees nothing but the in the radians, pi by 2. This is nothing but the pi. This is nothing but the 3 pi by 2. This is nothing but 2 pi. You know the values. That's why remember. Sine 0 degrees is equal to 0, sine 90 means sine pi by 2 is equal to 1, sine 180 that is sine pi is equal to 0, sine 270 that equal 3 pi by 2, sine 3 pi by 2 is equal to minus 1, sine 2 pi is equal to 0. Observe that sine pi equal to 0, sine 2 pi equal to 0, sine 3 pi equal to 0, sine 4 pi is equal to 0. What is the meaning of that one? Means, for suppose sine value is equal to 0, this theta value must should the multiples of, integral multiples of pi. We will take 100 pi, sine 100 pi, sine 200 pi, sine 1000 pi, sine 1 lakh pi, the always is equal to 0. Integral multiple of pi. The integral multiple of pi, the value of sine theta must be equal to 0. Understood or not? You remember this one. The sine is completed. Whenever you can find sine, automatically you can find cos. What happened in this one? First we can find the cos. Same circular diagram will take in this one. 0, 90, 180 degrees means you know 270 means 3 pi by 2. Next 2 pi means 360 degrees. You discuss about the cosine. Now cos 0 means 1, cos 90 means 0. 0 opposite means negative x axis, this is minus 1. Now this is 90 means this is 0, 2 pi is at 1. Cos 0 1, cos 90 0, cos 180 minus 1, cos 270 0, cos 360 degrees is equal to 1. You remember that one. In this one observe that cos pi minus 1, cos 2 pi 1, 2 pi is even number. The odd multiples of the pi by 2 of the cos angle means 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 of the cos angle. That means that equal to minus 1. First of all, n value 0 means cos pi by 2, n value 1 cos 3 pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi, 2n plus 1 into pi. Odd multiples of pi of the cos angle is equal to minus 1. N value 1 means cos pi minus 1, n value 0 means cos pi minus 1, n value 1 means cos 2 plus 1 3, cos 3 pi minus 1, cos pi minus 1. Okay, understand? Cos pi, cos 3 pi, cos 5 pi, cos 7 pi, so on, cos 2n plus 1 into pi. 100% that equal to how much? Minus 1. Even multiples of pi, that is cos 2 pi, cos 4 pi, cos 6 pi, so on, cos 2n pi. 100% that equal to how much? 1. Now, you find the value of sine and cos, easily find the tan. Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Now, remember the values. Sin 0 0, sin 91, sin 180 0, sin 270 minus 1, sin 360 0. Cos 0 1, cos 90 0, cos 180 minus 1, cos 270 0, cos 360 1. Remember that one. After that, every integral multiple of pi of the angle of the sine is equal to 0. But odd multiples of pi of the cos angle is equal to minus 1. Even multiples of the pi with the cos angle is equal to how much? That is equal to 1. Understood or not? Next. Now, now we can find some more important formulas by using the super hexagon. By using super hexagon, we will find some more super hexa. Hexa means how many vertices are there? 6 vertices. By using the hexagon, we will write the formulas. Say yes or no? How to write the formulas? Clearly observe that. Now, for suppose what is the hexagon? Now, discuss about the super hexagon. Super hexagon. Hexa means the polynomial having the 6 vertices. How many trigonometric ratios are there? 6 trigonometric ratios are there. Now, each and every vertex allotted one vertex allotted one trigonometric ratio. Okay. Now, this is now joining the opposite vertices, no problem. For suppose this one, this one, this one. This is center I, whatever may be. Now, indication of the, now this is bisect the two parts, two equal parts, this one vertically. Now, how to indicate the trigonometry? Keep in mind first, after that you write the formulas. For suppose you know the tan is equal, tan theta equal, what is the formula? Sin theta by cos theta. You know the formula or not? Tan means sin by cos. Now, you write here, this is tan, this is sin, this is cos. Enough. Now, opposite, tan opposite, you write the reciprocal. What is that? Cot. Sin, reciprocal, you write the cosecant. Next, cos, reciprocal is secant theta. First, we write in this way. Remember that one. Tan means tan theta equals sin by cos, tan sin cos. Say yes or no. This way. Now, how to write the formulas? Now, in the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. Same. First one is equal, tan is equal sin by cos. You can take 3, 3, 3. You can take 3, 3, 3 from here. Tan is equal sin by cos. For suppose you can take these 3. What happened? Sin theta is equal to cos theta by cot theta. Not understood? For suppose this one, this one, this one. How to? What is the concept means? First one, tan theta is equal to this upon this one. This upon this one. Say yes or no? Yes. For suppose we can take these 3. What happened? This one, first one is equal to second one upon third one. For suppose we can take these 3. Cos theta is equal to cot theta by cosecant theta. For suppose we can take these 3. Cot theta is equal to cosecant theta by secant theta. For suppose these 3 we can take cosecant theta equals secant theta by tan theta. Enough? Those are the formulas we remember. Understood or not? Now, what is the first formula? You know that very well. Tan theta is equal to, first formula is tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Next, sin theta is equal to, how to write sin theta? For suppose in the examination point of view, cos theta is given, cot theta is given. Find the sin theta. How to write? Sin theta is equal to cos theta by cot theta. Understood? For suppose next we can take these 3, cos, cot, cosecant. Now cos theta is equal to cot theta by cosecant theta. Understood? Next, cot theta is equal to cosecant theta by secant theta. Next, cosecant theta is equal to secant theta by tan theta. This one. First of all, you can take these three. This one is equal. Say yes or no? Yes. First of all, next one. Cosecant theta is over. Next, secant theta. Secant theta equal to what happened? Tan theta by sin theta. Simple. Keep in mind super hexagon, how to allot the first vertices. After that, how to write the formulas. Tan theta formula. You know the formula tan theta sin theta by cos theta. Remaining sin theta formula. Sin theta how to write? Cos by cot. Simple. First of all, in the examination point of view, cos theta is given. Cos theta equal 2 by 3 is given. Cot theta is equal to suppose minus pi by 4 is given for suppose. Now in the examination point of view, find the sin theta by using anyone sin theta. Okay, 100% any formula is there sin theta. Super hexagon sin theta equal to cos theta by cot theta. That equal 2 by 3 by minus pi by 4. Now 4 2s are 8 minus 8 by 15. Enough. Understood? Okay. Now in the clockwise, this is the clockwise situation. Now we write the anti-clockwise situation. What happened? Anti-clockwise situation. Anti-clockwise means in this way. First of all, you can take these three from here. Tan, secant, cosecant. Now tan theta is equal. Same way. Tan theta equal to what happened? Secant theta by cosecant theta. Now here again these three. This one, this one, this one. No problem at all. 3 3 3 from here 1 2 3. Again this one. Sin, tan, secant. What happened? Sin theta is equal to tan theta by secant theta. Now for suppose this way, these three, cos theta is equal to sin theta by tan theta. For suppose these three, cot, cos, sin, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. You know very well, each and every one. You remember the formulas. 100% we read these formulas, tan theta, sin theta, cos theta, cot theta, is the remaining trigonometric ratios. Next, observe that this is the vertex, opposite vertex is this one. These two are the reciprocals. Their product is equal to how much? Tan theta into cot theta is equal to how much? 1. Tan theta into, we know that tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Reciprocals. Now tan theta equal to how much formula? 1 by cot theta. Cot theta equal to how much formula? 1 by tan theta. Say yes or no? Say yes or no? Similarly, sin and cosecant are the reciprocals. Now sin theta into cosecant theta is equal 1. Now sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Now secant theta and cos theta are reciprocals. Now cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Now cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. Now secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. By using this one, you write the so many formulas. This is the super hexagon. Now before I already discussed the values of the trigonometric function from 0 to 90. After that, what are the quadrant angles? 0, 90, 180, 270, 360 degrees. After that, those are called quadrant angles. After that, some important values from 0 to 90 degree, 0 to 360 degrees. 90, 180, 270, 360. How to find those values? After that, so by using the super hexagon, how many formulas we will find? So many formulas. Okay, remember the total trigonometry concept depends on the formulas. Total formulas and concepts. We will read every day compulsory at least 10 to 15 minutes the trigonometric formulas. Otherwise, we cannot understand anything. Please read these formulas today class. Tomorrow we will discuss about what is the meaning of the allied angles. Okay, thank you everyone.